Hello and welcome to today's episode on business and finance, where we dive deep into how money moves the world and how you can harness financial strategies to build, grow, and protect wealth. In this session, we'll explore the fundamentals of business and finance, how they intersect, and what that means for entrepreneurs, investors, and anyone aiming to understand the global economy better. Whether you're a small business owner, a student of finance, or someone looking to get smarter about money, this session is for you. Let's start with the basics. Business is the activity of making money by producing or buying and selling goods or services. Every business, no matter how small or large, relies on certain fundamental components: a product or service, a market that wants that product, a means of delivery, and of course, capital. Finance, on the other hand, is the science of managing money. It involves activities like investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, and forecasting. Finance underpins every business decision, because without money, no business idea can scale or even survive. There are three key areas of finance: personal finance, managing your own money; budgeting, investing, saving, and retirement planning; corporate finance, how companies handle funding, capital structuring, and investment decisions; public finance, how governments manage the economy through taxes, spending, and debt. Together, business and finance form the lifeblood of the modern economy. A business is only as strong as its foundation. Let's look at the 5 essential pillars of a successful business value proposition. What problem are you solving? A strong business starts with a clear and compelling value proposition. Customer focus. Understanding your target market and customer behavior is vital. Businesses thrive when they align with customer needs and adapt to feedback. Operations. Efficient systems for delivering products or services. This includes supply chains, logistics and quality control, marketing and sales. Even the best product needs visibility. Sales funnels, branding, digital marketing, and customer engagement strategies are key drivers of revenue. Financial management. Budgeting, forecasting, and managing cash flow are non-negotiable. Poor financial planning is one of the top reasons businesses fail. Now let's shift focus to financial literacy. In an era of consumerism and credit, understanding how money works is critical. Financial literacy includes understanding interest rates. Compound interest can either work for you, investments, or against you, debt. Credit and debt management. Smart use of credit can build your financial profile, but misuse can lead to long-term issues. Investing basics. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and now cryptocurrencies are vehicles for wealth generation. Risk and diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Financial success requires a calculated approach to risk. Empowering people with financial knowledge leads to better decision-making, whether in business or in personal life. Let's talk about capital. Money used to start or expand a business. There are 2 primary types of capital: equity capital. You give up a piece of ownership in exchange for money. Think venture capital, angel investors, or issuing shares. Debt capital. You borrow money and repay it with interest. This could be through loans, bonds, or lines of credit. Each has its pros and cons. Equity doesn't need repayment, but you dilute ownership. Debt keeps you in control but can be risky if revenue falters. Modern startups often use a hybrid approach, bootstrapping at the start, followed by seed funding, and eventually larger investment rounds. Crowdfunding has also become a powerful tool. Platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo allow early adopters to fund products they believe in. Whether you're a business owner or a professional, investing is the cornerstone of wealth building. Here are core investing strategies. Long-term investing, holding assets for years, even decades. Ideal for retirement accounts and passive growth. Dividend investing, choosing stocks that pay regular income. Real estate properties can provide rental income and appreciate over time. Alternative investments, crypto, art, startups. Higher risk, potentially higher rewards. Index funds and ETFs, for those who prefer lower cost, diversified exposure to the market. Remember, investing is not gambling. It's about making informed, strategic decisions over time. Business today is changing faster than ever before. Let's look at 5 major trends. Digital transformation. From e-commerce to AI-powered tools, businesses are becoming increasingly digital. Cloud computing, data analytics, and machine learning are now essential. Remote work. The pandemic normalized hybrid and remote work. This affects everything from hiring practices to office space demand. Sustainability, ESG, environmental, social governance, is more than a buzzword. Investors and consumers want to support responsible businesses. Fintech revolution, banking, lending and investing have gone digital. Fintech startups are disrupting traditional financial institutions. Globalization versus localization. While the world is interconnected, there's also a growing emphasis on supporting local economies and reducing supply chain dependencies. Every business faces risk, whether it's market volatility, inflation, cyber threats, or a global pandemic. Risk is inevitable. Here's how to manage it. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on one product or one client. Insurance, health, liability and property insurance can protect against catastrophic losses. Crisis planning. Have a plan in place for worst-case scenarios. Think contingency funds and communication protocols. Businesses that prepare for uncertainty outperform those that react to it. If you're just starting out, here are a few pieces of practical advice. Start small but think big. Test your ideas on a small scale before going all in. Be financially disciplined. Track every dollar. Understand your costs, margins, and break-even point. Learn constantly. Business and finance are ever evolving. Stay updated, read books, take courses, and surround yourself with mentors. Build a network. Connections open doors to capital, customers, and opportunities. Be patient. Wealth and business success are marathons, not sprints. Here are some tools that help manage modern business and financial life. Accounting software. QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks simplify bookkeeping. Investment platforms. Robinhood, Vanguard, and Fidelity make investing more accessible. Budgeting tools. Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and PocketGuard help manage personal finances. CRM and project management. Salesforce, HubSpot, Asana, and Trello streamline customer relations and internal operations. AI assistants, from ChatGPT to AI-driven analytics, smart tools are now powering smarter decisions. To wrap it all up, business and finance are not just for CEOs, MBAs, or Wall Street traders, they're for everyone. Understanding these domains empowers you to take control of your economic destiny, build resilience, and pursue financial independence. Whether you're launching a startup, investing in the stock market, or just learning how to budget effectively, the key is to stay curious, stay informed, and take consistent action. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, in business and in life, strategy and mindset make all the difference. Until next time, stay sharp, stay solvent, and stay inspired.